lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing amazingly well. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a mini haul with you guys. But before I start this video, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Kindly give me a thumbs up and please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So I bought a lot of perfumes, but only these three arrived and I had to share it with you guys. One of them is actually time sensitive, so I have to bring it to you ASAP before you guys go out and purchase. I actually blind bought this perfume, but it's gonna be the last perfume I'm gonna talk about, so make sure you stay until the end. So the first perfume is Tiffany Gold by Tiffany & Co. This perfume has been on my wish list for the longest time. I really love the bottle. I think it's such a beautiful packaging. The notes in here are blackcurrant, blue rose and ambrette. The notes are actually inside the bottle, which is really amazing. I got a 50 ml bottle, but I feel like I'm gonna go through this pretty quickly because it's a light spring summer perfume. It's a very sparkling, crisp, fruity, floral, really beautiful perfume with a little bit of a musky dry down, a tiny bit powdery in the dry down. This is perfect for every day, perfect for going out, perfect for work. This isn't gonna offend anybody. It's really beautiful. The only thing that I don't like about it is that it doesn't last. I sprayed this on my skin and I got about 3 hours on my skin. It lasted a little bit longer on clothing, but for what this smells like, I didn't expect it to have the longest longevity ever, but I would have liked if it lasted a little bit longer. But it's beautiful nevertheless, and I highly recommend it. So this is Tiffany Gold. So this next perfume, you guys have asked me several times on YouTube, on Instagram, should I get this perfume, should I not? And I actually reviewed this perfume when I went to 𝗏𝗪𝗔𝗔𝗍. So I will insert a clip over there for you guys to see. I actually went into 𝗏𝗪𝗔𝗍 and I smelled this perfume for the first time because so many people have asked me to review it, but I wasn't sure about it. Anyway, I pulled the plunge eventually and I purchased a full bottle. And the perfume is The World According to Arthur by Penhaligon. Check out this bottle, guys. This is meant to be a dragon head. I love the portrait collection. You guys already know the juice is really stunning. Now, the first thing you think of this perfume is that the name is a masculine name, and you think this is a masculine perfume, but it's not. It's not. Let me just get into a few details before I break this down for you. This perfume retails for £210. Penhaligon's prices have gone up because I remember buying the portrait collection for £205, so prices have gone up. So as loads of prices, like literally all these luxury brands are increasing prices like crazy. But anyway, this is £210. It's a 100 ml bottle, and this has notes of incense, ambrette and tonka bean. It's immediately when you spray this, look at the sprayer. It is so amazing. This perfume, you have to douse yourself in this. For this perfume to have the longevity, you need to wear a lot of it. Now, this perfume lasted on me for about 5 hours, like literally on my skin. It kept on. The incense in this is strong. It's kind of like the incense that you'd get in Bewitching Yasmin by Penhaligon. If you like Bewitching Yasmin, you would love this as well. But Bewitching Yasmin has oud and coffee, and of course it has jasmine as well, minus those notes. This to me is perfectly unisex. A man and a woman can wear this. This smells amazing on me. It smells incredible on my husband. I've not worn it out yet, so I can't tell you if it will fetch compliments, but my daughter said I smell really nice. So this is one that definitely is likable. It's not blind buy worthy, more so because of the price. And also, if you're not used to the way Penhaligon's fragrances are, you might need to test it before you actually buy. But I love this. I definitely approve of this. 9 out of 10 in my opinion. In terms of scent, in terms of projection, it projects maybe like half a arm's length, but it's not a beast mode fragrance. It becomes a skin scent after 5 hours. It still lingers on for sure. If someone hugs you, they are going to smell it on you, but ultimately becomes a skin scent around about 4 to 5 hour mark. But it's a beautiful release by Penhaligon's. I absolutely love it. So this is Author by Penhaligon. So with this perfume, you guys have already seen the thumbnail, so you guys know what's coming next. This is the new Jean-Paul Gaultier La Belle Fleur Terrible. I don't think it's like terrible, but I don't know, guys. This is the perfume. It came yesterday and I was so tempted to open it, but I thought no, let me unbox it. Although unboxing videos are always all over the place, mine are anyway, so if it's all over the place, please forgive me. But I feel like we should open this together to kind of get first impression of this perfume. I was actually thinking if a sample came with this, I would test the perfume to see if I want to return it, but it didn't come with a sample. And my friend here, Ange, 50 Cents UK, she actually asked if I wanted a sample, which is so kind of you, Ange, thank you. But I thought regardless of what this smells like, I actually want to keep the bottle. So let's see. And it's a limited edition, so let's see. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh wow, I really like this. This is like cloth that's on it. It's really gorgeous, guys. I really love it. Now this is the flanker to the original La Belle. So this is the flanker to this one. So this is the original one. There's another flanker right here, which is Le Parfum. If you guys want to see a comparison video of the three of them, let me know and I'll do that in my next video. But this is La Belle Fleur Terrible. I'm sure it's not terrible like I said, but I'm so nervous to spray this, guys, because I have high expectations, because both La Belle's that they've done so far is absolutely stunning, and I'm scared. I'm really scared. But anyway, let's do this. Nice sprayer. Guys, I have to spray a lot so I can get a good feel of the perfume.
What are you getting? What are you getting?
Okay. Right, okay, so let me start by telling you that this smells nothing like that. Like, there's no DNA of this in this at all. This is very aquatic to my nose. It's fresher than the other one. It is sweet, but it doesn't have any deepness or anything like that. It smells nice. Sorry guys, I have to spray loads because I'm trying to get a vibe. Okay, so this has notes of water lily, iris, and vanilla. Yes, I get the water lily a little bit. The iris is there because there's a bit of powderiness going on. And there's a little bit of vanilla, but the sweetness in this is nowhere near the original. So if you're thinking you're gonna get a DNA of this in this, it's not. This is a completely new perfume. They could have called this something else, honestly. It's nice from what I can smell, but this is not gonna blow you away at all. Like, I find it refreshing for sure. It does have that light airiness about it. I don't think this is gonna be like a long-lasting perfume. It's quite sparkling, so I can imagine this will dry down more into like a more of the powdery vanilla with a little bit of floral notes just kind of in the background there. I feel like there's more notes inside this perfume. I don't think it's just the 3 notes, but I'm not sure. I feel like it's got C notes in there a little bit, just a tiny bit, but it's nice. It's a nice scent. Don't blind buy, guys, unless you want the bottle. Like, I really want the bottle. That's the reason why I just thought, even if it smelled horrible, I will still keep the bottle, because I don't have anything as cute. Like, this color is just stunning, but this did not blow me away at all. I wouldn't say it's a blind buy fail, but it's not a blind buy love. It's not love at first sniff at all. It's a like, you know, it's a like perfume. I could have done without having this perfume in my collection, basically. But if you like a watery, aquatic, vanilla kind of scent. You might like this one. Yeah, definitely smell before you buy, or buy because of the bottle, if that makes any sense. So, and I've gotten more use of this. I might come back and tell you how long it lasts, how much it projects. It smells really nice. How much it projects. Where would I wear this to? I would wear this on a daily. There's nothing groundbreaking to wear it to like an event or to a date night. It's just a very simple, easy reach, you know. It's not gonna blow your socks off. Yeah, I don't mind it. It's okay. I feel like I'm gonna go through it quite quickly because it's very light, and I think they probably made this more so for spring and summer, which I feel like this will probably work best during that time of the year. Yeah, so if you guys want to see a comparison between these two, let me hold it tight, and this one as well, let me know. I would have that coming up for you guys, no problem at all. Yeah. Yeah, like I said, guys, unboxing videos are really strange, but yeah, I love the packaging. I think the bottle is stunning. This is Jean-Paul Gaultier's new perfume, and it's called 𝗀𝗀𝗪𝗏, and this is an eau de parfum 100 ml bottle. Right, guys, so I guess that's it for this video. Sorry, the unboxing was maybe mishy-mashy, but it's an unboxing and we are unboxing together. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you're interested in getting any of this perfume. Matter of fact, because I only reviewed 3 perfumes, I would definitely put them in order of which ones you can actually get. 𝗏𝗏𝗧 is number 1. This is very, very stunning, spicy, woody, incensey, very beautiful, well blended perfume. And then I will get Tiffany Gold because it's just so pretty and feminine, like a very soft and elegant and fruity, juicy, sparkling kind of perfume. And we have the terrible one. It's not terrible. It's a nice aquatic vanilla lily kind of fragrance. Yeah, this will be 3rd on my list for sure. So my lovelies, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.